Hello everyone, my name is Zina. I'm representing Group 38 doing the Sprint 1 retrospective presentation. Let's start it with our Trello board. The project guide suggested creating 4 Trello boards, and we are required to complete the first 2. Let's check on our Trello board. We created 4 Trello boards and named them according to the software development phase. The first one is planning, the second one is tech stack proposal and prototype design, and the third one is implementation, and the fourth one is on debugging. In our Sprint 1, we have a list of resources in which we can paste all the links we used for these projects. We also distributed the ownership roles. I work as a Scrum Master, UI and UX designer, and also I'm responsible for the front-end and back-end communication. And the other 3 team members, they work in the DevOps team. Amajot, she's responsible for back-end database and security issues. Farhad and Arthur, they're responsible for the front end. To satisfy customers' requirements, we break the whole project into small pieces. That is our sprint backlog, which includes all these small features, and also we assign each feature to each one of us, and to make sure we don't miss any requirement. We also created 2 columns in progress column and finished column, which makes us easier to drag and drop and to monitor the progress of these projects. In the Sprint 2, we're gonna propose 2 sides of technology stacks, and also we're gonna come up with the prototype. Let's go back to user stories. User stories is a tool used in agile software development to capture the description of the software feature from an end user perspective. It simplifies a lengthy conversation and describes the type of user, what they want, and why. From Project A, we extracted 3 user stories and their features. Story 1. As a user, I need a registration form on the website so that I can put my details, make and model of my vehicles. To satisfy this requirement, we need the following features: a customer registration form, database design and development, integration of database with front-end, a return message box with recall details, and a registration button. The second story is, as a user, I need a search box so that I can put the make and the model of my car and have details of related recalls and issues. The features that are needed for this story are a search box for customer, the database design and development, and the integration of database with front-end, and the display box with recall details. The third story is, as a user, I need email notifications so that I'm aware of new issues and the recalls of my vehicle. To meet this requirement, we need a push email notification for the customer. Regarding the logistics we used for these projects, we use Microsoft Teams for having meetings, and also we use Google Docs to edit the group task together. The issues we have, we took a detour in understanding these units. Before we thought this project was website building, then we started making selection form and building database, etc. Later on, we realized this unit is not about coding. It focuses on the IT project management. Then we went back on the right track. Another issue we had was this project is simulating an agile Scrum team. Each member is assumed to already have a certain level of understanding to the project. Though there is no leader in Scrum team, in reality, not everyone takes leadership. For example, some of my team members didn't respond to the meeting schedules until they realized that no contribution, no mark, they could be at the risk of failing this unit. Then they started turning up on the meeting without even understanding what the project is doing. We have reflected on the way of managing such a Scrum team for the IT assignment. Next time, we could assign the tasks according to the questions on the task sheet, which perhaps make every member more aware of their roles and responsibilities. This is a task assignment plan. Yes, that's it. Thanks for watching.